Okay, so today I am going to cut my hair. It needs to be cut. It's just getting to be dead on the ends. I'm going to do the classic hair ties and chop it, and then see if there's any funky things I can do to maybe get back the layers that I had before I decided to do this. Which I mean, like, probably no, but you know, we'll see. I feel like I've watched enough Brad Mondo videos to know what not to do. Is that even? I think it's even. Yeah, no, but I mean, I've watched enough Brad Mondo tutorials to, like, know what not specifically to do. So I feel like this will be okay. And this isn't the first time I've done something like this. And it didn't come out too bad. So I'm stalling. Just turn the razor on, Megan. Hold on. LOL, forgot to take that off. It's fine. Oh, shit. Oh. Okay. Okay. Alright. But, I mean... Yo. Okay, let's see. I can't tell. Is it even in the back? And it seems even when I go like this. And then maybe I will take a comb. Cool. Maybe I'll take like a comb and sort of, how am I gonna do this? Okay. Take a comb and then sort of like, how am I supposed to hold the comb and do this at the same time? Okay. So I guess I'll go to like here. And kind of slant it. Right? Oh, I'm not sure that was a good idea. Ooh. Yeah. No. Okay, maybe. Oh! I don't think that's what I wanted. Maybe if I put... What do these even do? I don't know. But... Okay, so now that I've got one side, I kind of have to do the other, right? So I did like there. I'm not even gonna use the comb. It's fine. It's fine. And then just sort of just sort of go like that, right? That's really blunt. It's just sort of like... Is this doing anything? Yikes. So I don't think it looks... It's not... I think I did good. Maybe. Was this like this before? You tell me. Did I just cut this, or are these my baby hairs? So now I guess I'll brush it. If I have a brush. Yeah. Okay. So obviously my hair was wet before I did this. So, I mean, I think it looks pretty even. And then I think, what if I do something like, where can I put this? What do I put it? Okay, yeah, sure. That's fine. If I flip my hair, and I sort of go like that, right? No, hold on. Because I want the line that my bangs used to be. And if they're not part of it, get the frick patty whack out. Okay. That's sort of okay. So this is the front of my hair. Now I guess I'll just cut it on this line. Oh, that's not. Okay. That's fine. Okay, that's short, but okay. Okay, I kind of have like a little bang thing going on. I guess. Let me see if I blow dry it. Okay, so if you're looking at this, you have probably noticed that I have like, oh fuck, that's short. Oh, how short is that? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. If you're watching this, you've probably noticed that I have a little rat tail. And I guess I don't have scissors. Do I have scissors? I don't have scissors. Okay. Going back to our trusty dusty buzzer. Should I leave the protector on? I don't know. Okay. This is okay. That was a really big clump. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's maybe fine. Maybe not fine. I can always go to the hairdresser and get this fixed, right? Right? Okay. So it's not terrible. I think it's pretty even. Yes? No? This is the, oh, there's some on the floor too. Amount of hair that I just cut off my head. Short hair don't care. To be honest, we're lucky I didn't do a coloring video. I don't think it's bad. I think it's good. I think the internet will beg to differ. All right, well, that's, I guess, the end of it. Advice, if you're gonna, if you want to cut your hair at home, I mean, you're gonna do it anyway, so just do it. But I mean, oh, that's really uneven. Oh, I just have a big clump. Okay. So it's fine. Like, it's hair. Like, it grows back. It's fine.